Hello guys, good afternoon everyone. So welcome to my channel Earn With Me. Today I am going to show you about a very important content in Trust Wallet. So many had messaged me that my Trust Wallet seems to be get hacked. So they just want to know whether the coins which they are collecting from airdrops are buying something, or the BSC wallet who can uh, what do you say who can authenticate your tokens, who can send your tokens, what is the maximum chance of your Trust Wallet getting hacked. So what are the precautions to be taken for Trust Wallet to be clean? Firstly, you need to have a Trust Wallet account. Firstly, how to check your Trust Wallet is hacked or not? Whenever we claim an airdrop, so let me show guys, just a second, need not worry. So this is my airdrop bot, so I will show you, just a second. So as you can see here, transaction 5 details: received 1,50,000 MNEB, 19,560. So you can see now. Okay, let me open and show you. Okay, this is a very fake token guys, fake token. They are just distributing it to hack our wallets. Okay, so after getting these tokens, what we would do, it would be showing in our wallet, so we would be enabling it. Okay, we got it from airdrop or something like that, we would be thinking like that. Okay, so you can see, if it is an airdrop, no one will get 1,50,000 directly. You can see everyone will get 1,50,000. Okay, everyone will get 1,50,000. So I will just show you. I will go to their main page. Just a second. Why is this not going? Okay, let me go to desktop site. Okay guys, just a second, not a problem. So this is the legit token guys, Minerium. This has the potential, this is the potential token. So they produced another token, I will be showing. It's an Ethereum network. So they have created a fake currency named Minerium BSC. So I would be just showing, just wait. So if you would enable that token, what will happen? They will have every each and every coin, access to each and every coin. So you can see this is the maximum supply. So you can see 10 10 crore 9,89,962 holders, because no one are buying, they are distributing it randomly. You can see 5 minutes, 9 minutes, 10 minutes, 11 minutes ago. So you can see, so some of them don't know, so they are buying it from Pancake Swap also. Okay, so these tokens are very harmful. So if you want to check, is it the same token which, so I would be just checking the token. Okay, so from this token I got it. Sorry, I came to the wrong transaction. MNEB, yeah, this is the transaction hash. So you can see guys, some are buying from Pancake Swap also. They don't know that this is not a real token. So what happens if you would want to swap it? Okay, it will be not swapped. it will not be swapped. So how to check your wallet is hacked or not? What are the steps which we have to take to prevent from hacking? So if you could see, they have already sent me this token, but they will not be able to take 1 rupee also from my account because I have fingerprint authentication. Okay, so I will be showing you these three tokens. The last two tokens are same, authorized spender, and the allowance is unlimited. So he can use my $153 from this alone wallet. Okay, so I will be showing you how will they do excellent scams, guys. So you can see there are latest 25 transactions showing here from a total of 92,951 transactions. So his work is to do transactions only, guys. So you can see 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 6 minute, 8 minute, 9 minute, 10 minutes continuously. Okay, so but he will not be having coins in this. So you can see Minerium BSC. So this is the main thing, guys. Minerium BSC is a hack token. Okay, do not worry about it. Do not try to swap it. Okay, do not try to swap it. And I just got, I would be giving this site uh, to check whether your wallet is hacked or not. Okay, how to remove this allowance? You could see revoke option beside this. Okay, you can remove the authentication. Okay, 0.06, it's around 5 rupees, guys. It's around 5 rupees. So the contract which has the spending authority will be removed. You can see this. So coming to the second one. So he is a big scammer, guys. So you can see whatever the tokens we have, they can be transferred into his account or any other account. So I will be just showing you. You can see what are the transactions. 1 crore 24 lakhs, no, 12 crore 48 lakhs 71,298 transactions. The pending transactions are more than 50. You can see, this 34 BNB. Can you see it, guys? 34 BNB. So the people who don't know, 3.3 BNB, 3.3 BNB, 34 BNB, 3.3 BNB. So this is a lot, guys. Lot of members are getting scammed by scammers. Please be careful, and I would be giving the link in descriptions. If you want to know more about these tips and tricks to save your wallet from hacks, I would be showing you one more thing. You need to go to security. You need to have an authentication. So you need to have a passcode. You need auto lock immediately, lock method, biometric. Transaction signing is very important, guys. Very important. It is very important, guys. Without transaction signing, anyone could make a transaction from your trust wallet. So transaction signing is a most important thing. Do not miss this, guys. I would be giving these types of tips and tricks in my Telegram channel too. Join my Telegram channel if you like this video. Okay, thank you.